So, back at it again. I'm gonna work on my own bike this time. I ordered the exhaust, I feel like a month ago now, and I've been waiting on it forever. Didn't put it on, none of that kind of stuff. I'll throw some snapshots and whatnot like that in there. But I took it straight to the polisher. And I haven't unwrapped it, anything. He sent me some pictures and some video, which I'll kind of throw in here in a second, maybe. But yeah, we're gonna unbox this thing. Bassani Super Bike pipe, 2008, Donna, obviously. I wanted it kind of chromed up. I wanted to break up the black. There's enough splops of shiny, you know, wheels, shocks. I know these are brushed, battery box is brushed. These are like the dull kind of chrome. I guess it's clear-coated aluminum, I'm not sure. But, you know, it's got little pops of chrome or chrome accents. So, yeah, I wanted to break that up. I wanted to get rid of this. I want to be able to run my crash bar slider thing for the back. And, yeah, we're going to see how this turns out. I think it's going to be freaking awesome since I screwed this up. I've fallen down. They were already scratched and scraped whenever I first got the bike. They're not round on the bottom edge anymore because it's obviously been over. But like I said, it's my first bike. Had it for a year now, or I guess a year and a month or two. So that's how long I've been riding it. That's how long I've been riding. Road bike anyway. But yeah, we're gonna try to get this thing rocking and rolling. I ain't mad, old boy packed it up real nice. But this turned out, I think, absolutely great. There's some stuff that I'm not super up here. It could have been better in my opinion. I don't know, I'm not a polisher. It's stainless. It's going on a bike, it'll be fine. Some of the stuff in here, a water drop right there. But it turned out fantastic. He did a really good job. Yeah, we've got new flanges. These are heat shields for this. So yeah, so the heat shield here, and then obviously the one in the back still wrapped up. I'm not gonna run those at the moment, but I wanted to go ahead and get them done and everything else. Oh yeah, had to do the clamp too. You know, we can't be throwing no wrenches up in this stuff. Gotta keep it clean. Manifold, or the heat shields. I don't know that I want to run those. I want to have them just in case. If I end up melting a shoe or something like that pretty heavily all over that, I can always just throw those back over. They may end up being a lot hotter than I think. The fortunate thing about these versus this is I don't have to deal with the leg anymore. And same thing for the passenger, because all of this is going to go down and around the peg. So hopefully this will remedy some of that stuff. It'll be out there far enough away. I hope that it's away from rubber, like my shoe and everything else. But yeah, no, it's I think it's going to look freaking awesome. Now that I've already filmed this once, I had to take the bracket off because it was not going to go without it. Now let's see if we can get this. I gotta wait for help because I'm not gonna screw up the new. Take these O2 sensors out and all that good stuff. So thanks to this guy.
They didn't do much.
But we got it on, and I think it looks freaking awesome. Absolutely fantastic. Yeah. Hopefully I got all the oily stuff off so it doesn't have a nasty fingerprint, but we're gonna do a first startup. I just got finished, got everything cleaned up. Hopefully I didn't forget to plug something in.